Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to play online with your friends on FIFA 23. First, open the friends list by tapping R2 on your controller or by finding the icon in the bottom right corner. In the friends list, you can find invites, check friend requests, and search for friends. Once you add someone to your friend list, you can start cooperating online, play versus your friend, or play Ultimate Team. For Ultimate Team, go to the tie-up section right here. You'll be able to play squad battles, different arrivals, and online friends. You can invite your teammate or opponent. You can also pick and play versus your friend, play online solo, or with your friend on the same team or couch play. If you want to play with normal teams like Real Madrid, Barcelona, Manchester United, or PSG, go back from Ultimate Team. Then go to Play Modes, Quick Play Modes, and select Online Friendlies. Here you can invite your friend by tapping on a new friendly season. In my case, I can't play with someone right now because everyone is offline, but you can invite a friend. That's basically how it looks in FIFA 23. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.